So hello guys, so I'm recording right now. Well, I have been recording since about 4:30, 5 o'clock, and it is now, I'm not sure, but it's later and I still have more recording. I have the intro video, the outro video to record on this here install, some reels in TikTok. I put those two together, and that's about it that I have to do tonight. Then tomorrow I have to record a trial haul of shapewear, so I have to do that tomorrow. So, and I need to wash these makeup brushes. I think I want to record a makeup video, and my goal is to get up early and do it. So, oh my god, this white shirt. And then I have to take some pictures for my website. So I have to do that. So I'm just touching everything up. What?
I'm gonna get in the shower.
Okay, good. And wash your hair good. You need to wash it 2 times.
2 times. Oh!
Shampoo it 2 times.
Shampoo is no conditioner.
Yeah, but shampoo it twice. Shampoo, rinse, then shampoo, rinse, then conditioner. Come on now, you should know that. So why would you say no conditioner?
You said shampoo 2 times.
Yes. Yo, I really love his hair. So now, I started off doing the video and then and then I recorded this hair video and then started doing the outfit portion for my reels. So now I feel like I need to touch this up. This thing is getting on my nerves, to be honest. Be in my way. So y'all, my goal is to really push myself to just do what I like, enjoy. Still, of course, I gotta do what's popular, but popular things that I enjoy and popular things I think you guys will want to see, so I can build my YouTube, like, for real. So I'm really finna go hard with building my YouTube. My Instagram, that ain't really growing either. I think I'm shadow banned, to be honest, but I'm not sure. So I just gotta keep posting. And out of all these social medias I have, one of them gonna pop. we supposed to be going bowling, but of course I'm with somebody who don't know what they doing. So we sitting in the car calling people. Mama, for what? See, I don't vlog enough because she acting bougie. Oh, that's Misha. Is that Misha, Mom? So we only needed to see one person?
Motherfucking, that's all it takes.
Yo, I don't come out that much, so you know I got to be a little. Mama, it's a lot going on. Yo, I look cute today. I had to get her wig together. She be embarrassing me.
Oh, girl, don't you do that on no camera.
I had to get your wig together. They already know that. Yes, what? Mom!
You got pink lemonade or fruit punch? Yeah. I have some of that. Don't be looking all at my drink.
Hey, Glinda.
And I see you.
Come here!
Oh my God, she irritating.
I know that voice. I know that's her, right?
Good.
Ooh.
Okay, go. Okay, let me see, cause I'm. Oh, okay. You want me to stay by here? So you want me to feel awkward? No.
Boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. But you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone. But see, I don't know if that's good.